뒷좌석에다 실을까?
그럴까?
무드는 바뀌. 해 뜨는 건 별로 안 이쁠 것 같은데.
그래?
그러나?
아, 일단 여기 앞에 뷰가 너무 예쁠 것 같아. 이 산. 어두워서 못 봤지만 안 추워?
No, not cold. Daddy, this is great. This is great. There's a coffee flavor.
This one. More, okay?
Zion National Park is a place of outstanding scenery, a sanctuary for wildlife, an oasis in the desert, and a homeland for generations of native people and pioneers. Zion National Park is a place for youth and future generations to make lasting memories. In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, the park and its partners have taken steps to protect.
들어가 봤어? 추워? 어때? 차가워?
It's very cold inside my feet. It's
Really?
like going inside the shoes.
어,
Like from here.
가볼까 절로? 아, so cold.
Here I'm going to the rock.
Yes, new friend.
Not my friend. Oh, yeah, that's a parrot. You know that?
이제 저기 앞에 서봐. No! 무서웠어?
No, it happens. Henry connected.
Wave it at the camera.
이건 뭐야? 무너지는 거야 다시?
Oh. I don't worry about it. She tunnel from that way. All right, we'll be about 4 to 5 minutes. I'll let you know if you find out the door. Don't worry about it.
Take the ISO. Because it was like,
뭐가 보여?